C#.net. How to learn C#.net. So now, as a .NET developer, you need to learn C#.net to define the functionality of the application. Now we need to understand, yes, you want to learn C#.net, but how to learn? How to learn this language? Right. Now, Bhushan, how to learn C#.net? You are planning to learn C#.net because you are a .NET developer. So to develop any type of application by using this platform, to define the functionality, you need a language called C#.net. So you want to learn, but how to learn? What is your answer, Bhushan? Right. Next, how to learn? Because yesterday we discussed, in last class we discussed about this, how to learn C#.net. Urmil, how to learn? I think you are not attended last session. Right. Okay. Next.
I did by learning console programs.
With the help of.
I did last class.
Yeah. I did. You attended last class with the help of.
Yeah, I did. With the help of console programs.
Applications. With the help of console applications. How to learn C#.net. Whenever you want to learn any programming language, you can learn. You have to learn. You can learn with the help of console application. Because in the last session we realized that one. So here we need to get recall about features of console application. Already we discussed. But now onwards, now coming couple of days, you are learning the C#.net with the help of console application. Means you will learn complete C#.net couple of days with the help of console application. Today onwards or tomorrow onwards, your programming is in console application. So as when you are learning and when you are working couple of days with console application, it's better to have a recall the features of console application, which we have discussed in the last class. Come on, guys. Anyone can give the features of
single user.
Right. Number one.
Single user application.
Here, first important point we have to recall is almost all your console applications are similar like Windows applications, except Windows application will have a user interface and console application will not have any user interface. So instead of comparing this console application with Windows application, because might be somebody forgot about Windows application, so better to have individual discussion about console application, the features of console application. First one is single user. Single user means at a time it can be consumed by only one user. Second one is end user not required internet connection. Means whenever console application wants to consume by some end user, it doesn't require any internet connection. Third one is should be installed.
The end user machine.
Should be installed user machine. Should be installed at user machine. So console application should be installed at end user machine. That is the third point, and the fourth point is
Inputs and outputs. Input and output are displayed through console window.
Yes. No special
user interface.
No special user interface. Input and output will be within the command prompt window. Input and output will be within the command prompt window. That command prompt window is called as a console window. So in this applications, we don't have any special user interface. Input and output will be within the command prompt window. Command prompt window is nothing but this black window is called command prompt window. This block window is taking as special user interface in this console application. It is taking as a user interface, but there is no special user interface for this application. Even though it is taking console window as a user interface, that's why these applications are called as console application. Number one is single user application, means at a time the application can be consumed by one user. Number two is end user not required internet connection. Number three is application should be installed at end user machine. Number 4 is no special user interface. And number 5 is input and output will be within the command prompt window or console window. These are all the main features of console application. Main features of console application, right? So that is a story about this one, right? Next point is, yeah, that is a story here. Next, so finally, main use or purpose of console application is what we discussed already. Purpose of console application means when we will go for console application. Purpose of console application means when
To learn feature.
when we will go for console application. When we will go for console application is when we'll go for console application is answer is this answer to learn programming languages, to learn programming languages like C#.net, like VB.net, to learn programming languages, to learn programming languages. What is that? C#.net, VB.net, or any programming language. If you want to, yes, if you want to learn a programming language, you have to take the help of what application? Console application. Yes, right. Next to how to develop a how to develop a console application. How to develop a console application by using .NET platform. How to develop a console application by using .NET platform. Answer. How to develop a console application by using .NET platform. Answer is number one, .NET language. You have to use a .NET language called what is it? C#.net or VB.net. And you have to use a technology called console technology we discussed in the last class. So with the help of C#.net and with the help of console technology, we can develop a console application in .NET platform. With the help of this, we are going to learn a programming language called C#.net from tomorrow onwards. Now, next, how to, right. Next one is developing a console application. Otherwise, creating a new console application. Next is creating a new console application by using .NET. Creating a new console application by using .NET. By using .NET platform, you have to create a new console application. Okay. So now in step by step, we are going to see how to create a new console application. How to create a new console application that we are going to see in the next class. First we are going to create one first console application. After we created that console application, there we will first try to understand the basic features of the development environment and we'll start. So almost all we can say that tomorrow your programming is going to start